In this video, I'm going to show you how to change withdrawal method on Pocket Option. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Pocket Option website, and then up here, top right, once you're signed in, you want to click on your username or your profile icon. And then here you can see the fourth option or the third option is withdrawal. Okay, so you want to click on the withdrawal option. And then once you have done this, over here, as you can see right now, I haven't really deposited anything into this very account I use for these tutorials. But if you have something deposited in your account, and then you are, of course, eligible for the withdrawal, so you have the minimum amount you can withdraw, what you can do over here, you're going to see a few things. You're going to have to fill in some of the information. And the first drop-down menu up top should say payment method, and then click on that. And you should just basically select one of the options. The default one, I think, is a bank transfer, but if you'd like to change that, you can do that as well inside there. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.